How you doing? I'm Zach Lyons. This is my 1990 348 TS. Oh yeah, well they made 550 from 1989 to 1994.
So this is right after the 308.
Well, 328.
Oh, 328.
Yeah, 308, 328,
first.
then this one.
Okay,
followed
gotcha.
by the 355. Basically, from the 308 to 328, they were really similar cars, but after that, they came up with like a complete new chassis design, new motor, new trans. And the thing that was special about this is that the engine is transversely mounted so that the front, like the cams, the pulleys all face towards the back of the driver instead of like longitudinally to the side. And the transmission's right on the back with the axles going out to the wheels. And the old ones, they were stacked on top of each other. The engine was on top of the transmission, which like raised the center of gravity. So these ones are a lot lower, a lot more sporty, a lot tighter handling, just an all-around better car.
And you said it was a like manual transmission?
Yeah, it's just five-speed manual.
And manual steering.
Yeah, manual steering as well.
So like a driver's car.
Yeah, super driver's car. It's real heavy when you're like barely moving, but it lightens up a lot, and it's just perfect once you're driving. This is the last Ferrari made under Enzo Ferrari before he died. Yeah. Well, it's like I'd say it's like a mini Testarossa. It's got the old school side strakes, target top, boot in the front, engine in the back. One of the main reasons why I like this car over the 355 is the interior. This one's special because it has red carpeting with the tan leather. It's pretty rare. Usually you'll see this tan collar combo will have tan carpeting on the doors and on the floor as well. This car has matching Schedoni luggage. This is the owner's manual. We got the suit bag. This is the luggage bag. And then this one here, they call it the technology case for your typewriter, because at the time it was maybe a computer.
Right.
But this is like a two-piece bag here, so it's got like this cool little clasp on the side.
Right.
This is the toolkit, the Ferrari toolkit.
Oh wait, it comes with a toolkit?
Yeah. Yeah, these old Ferraris are like real enthusiast cars, real driver's cars. They actually encouraged you to like work on your own car back in the day.
That's crazy.
And so it came with the little toolkit.
Wow.
This is so these don't have a spare tire, so they gave you a can of Fix-A-Flat.
Okay, is that the original?
This is the original from 1990 Fix-A-Flat.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Can you imagine like Ferrari telling their owners to fix their own car?
Yeah, it's
that's
amazing.
Crazy back then.
Yeah, so you see how the engine faces the front, the pulleys and the belts and like the cam belt are all against the firewall there. So this is an engine cradle right here. You undo all the hoses and lines, and you drop the cradle. It's really not that difficult, honestly. And the whole thing drops down. You can just work on it on the workbench and then bolt it right back up. People make it into this big like kind of project. They're really afraid of owning these cars because of that, because they can't do it themselves. I guess I work on cars. I own a body shop. So for me, it seems easy and simple because it's what I do for a living. But
all right, in terms of closing, how could they find you?
On Instagram, my Instagram handle is ZXLyons, Lyons. You can follow my shop, the Real AMS.
Thank you for sharing your story.
Thanks, dude.
All right.
ハイパースピードメディア